Hello everyone, I'm e.t.c and from today we are going to start a series on Flutter, and in this tutorial we will learn about how to build a Android application. So now let's get have started, and this is today is the introduction of Flutter. What is Flutter? Every, Everyone knows that Flutter is a open source framework by Google. So it is a framework, it is not a language. Many of the people think that it is a language. It is not language, it is a SDK, software development kit. SDK, software development kit. In SDK, all the classes and packages are pre-built or predefined for easier development of the app, that allows developer to build application for multiple platforms from a single code base. Means from a one code we can execute our program on multiple platforms like Windows, Android, web, and it is used by frontend to create UI interface, everyone knows, for mobile, web and desktop. Flutter supports 6 platforms, that is iOS, Android, web, Windows, Mac, Linux. So this is the diagram representation. For Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, MacOS and web. And one more thing about Flutter, that it uses Dart programming language. Means Dart is a programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language, class-based garbage collection like Java, and it has syntax like C style. Usually teach the basics. What are the basic requirements that anyone needs to build any Android applications in a simple way. So from today I am starting, and today is the only intro class, and in the next video I will teach installation of Flutter, SDK, Android Studio, path set, everything I will teach in next video.